Welcome to this quick technical breakdown of a custom desktop automation and calculation engine I engineered for a construction industry client. The primary objective of this software was to completely automate complex material and cost estimation workflows. The backend is built entirely on Python, engineered to take detailed structural parameters and instantly process material counts, area dimensions, and target cost metrics. While the user interface was designed strictly for raw utility, high speed, and internal business deployment, the underlying logic entirely eliminates manual calculation errors. It has transformed the client's daily operations, saving hours on every single contract bid. The software was deployed successfully to outstanding client feedback. If your business needs tailored data tools, calculation engines, or custom automation scripts, please get in touch via the links below. Thanks for watching.